Hello everybody, so in this video we are going to show you how to verify your YouTube channel using your phone number to access more features of your channel. Take it away.
So, what you're going to want to do is get on the youtube.com homepage. Once you're on this screen, there are numerous ways to actually get into YouTube Studio. All I'm going to do here is click on the profile picture and click the dedicated YouTube Studio button. And this will take me into studio.youtube.com/channel and channel ID. So, here, you just need to click on Settings. Then you need to click on Channel. And then you need to click on Feature Eligibility. And then here you see Intermediate Features, Videos over 15 minutes, Custom Thumbnails, and Live Streaming. And you just click this. And then you have this Verify Phone Number option. You just click Verify Phone Number. And it's going to make you put in your phone verification, which is going to send a message to your phone or call you with an automated voice message. So, I'm just going to fill this out real quick. So, now that you fill out all of the instructions, it's going to say phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Now if you go back to your channel dashboard and click on feature eligibility, you'll see enabled. Now there's another layer of features that you can unlock called advanced features. If you open this up, you'll see it needs either channel history, a valid ID, or video verification. It's kind of just a long process, so I'm not going to go over this in this video, but that's how you get the intermediate level features on YouTube Studio. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials just like this one. Bye!